All right, welcome. Today we're going to be talking about the Litify payments integration using Gravity Legal. The purpose of the integration is to allow you to send out invoices or requests for trust deposits, allow clients to pay those requests or invoices electronically using credit, debit cards, or by online bank transfer, and then have those payments automatically recorded back to Litify. You can do that by emailing them out, as I'll show in this video, or you can use Litify's client portal functionality to present those invoices in a portal and allow clients to pay through the portal. And I will mention that at the very end. So a prerequisite of using the integration is to have the Litify time and billing module. So you're likely already familiar with it, but here I've made several time entries and I've gone through the process of going all the way to approving them. So they're in a build status here. Once they're in a build status, I can go to my invoices module. And I can find, in this case, here is the invoice that I just created from those 3 time entries. And I can select that invoice. Note that I can select multiple invoices if I want to email multiple invoices. And I'll also state that I have a filter here. So the balance on these are greater than 0. So I've hidden all of my already paid invoices. There are quite a few filters available to just view the invoices that you need. So in this case, I'll just email one out. But again, I can email multiple at once. Okay, this all looks good. I will send that out. Perfect. And then I can head over here to my email. I've got an invoice that has just come in. Click on that as the client. And I've got the attached invoice here. And then I have the link right here to pay. Now, if this client had multiple invoices outstanding, the client would see multiple invoices here. In this case, I only have one outstanding. So I just have one option here. So if I had multiple, I could choose which one to pay. And in this case, I'll just pay in full that only invoice. So we're here to load up the payment page. And in this case, the invoice was for $210. Now, I can pay, as I said, by credit, debit, or by bank transfer. I also have a feature enabled here that automatically charges the credit card fee to the client at the time of payment. This is an optional feature and available in the majority of states, but not all, based on some regulations. So let's say I want to avoid the fee. I'm going to go pay by bank transfer here. And routing number and account number. And I'm going to process that payment. All right, so now if I come back to my invoices, I can see that invoice actually disappeared because of my filter. So let me remove my filter. And you can see down here that this invoice is now in a paid status. So as I mentioned, this is the way to do it via email. However, you can use Litify's client portal functionality to add these invoices to the client's portal, as well as the payment links to pay each invoice individually or pay an entire balance all at once. Not in this video, but you can also put clients on payment plans so they can automatically pay invoices over time as well. If you have any more questions, you can email support@gravitylegal.com or visit us at gravity.legal.com/Litify. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.